Back here on Tim and Jarek's Cadillac, here's our booster. There's our master. We're gonna get this baby put back together. Right, so we've wrestled the booster in and the master, which the master was easy. The booster was a bit of a challenge, but we got it. So now we got everything in here. We're gonna bleed our master on the car. And then we gotta put our lines all back and bleed all four corners. And we did. There we go, work it, Wessie. There we go. Good job, Wes. It's amazing how much fluid the cylinder holds because, you know, it was full to the brim when we started, and this rear bowl's like halfway down already almost. Yeah, you just gotta keep doing it till we ain't got no bubbles. Car's in the air. There's a Wessie. We're gonna bleed these brakes. Easy peasy. Brakes are bled on this 78 EFI Seville. Master booster. Pretty.